wá síbí.
Ọba máa rìkọ́ọ̀dì, a máa lọ gbé gbogbo àwọn òrìṣà Èkó. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní àwọn ipò tó bá bá èdè wa.
Wọ́n nílé wa ọ̀tọ̀ ní tó sàlẹ̀ wa.
O jẹ̀ ti má rì. Ipò tó bá lè ti fẹ́ Yorùbá ká jogún ẹ̀. A máa jogún yín ni. A máa jogún gbogbo ipò tó wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí. Wọ́n lọ ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn. Ogun wa lẹ́ máa jẹ. A máa ṣe bí ìjà. A máa jogún yín ni lágbára jẹ́ ìtẹ́ ṣe bá ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ yìí tó ẹ̀bà ara jẹ́ àwa kan bínú à ń bínú ọmọ wa sísá mi tún wá lọ bímọ fún Ìgbò. Ṣé kí n lọ kó Obieze wa Obieze lẹ́ẹ̀ ti gbà bọ̀dé olórí Obieze lẹ́ẹ̀ ti gbà bọ̀dé o tún lọ mú kámẹ́rà wa lọ lé ẹ̀ ní ẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé a máa jogún yín ni àwa la máa jogún yín. Àgọ́ wa ló máa jáde yẹn gbọ́. A máa jogún yìí. Láì ṣe pé yìí nìkan ni aráàlú. Haúsá wà bí àgbà wọn láyè. Kàlàbá wà bí àgbà wọn láyè. Ẹ wá ń bèrè pé báwo ni ti wá.
I want to officially introduce myself again. In case you are just following me, my name is called Deputy Jesus, Professor Black and White, the perpendicular bisector. I have so many things I need to say, but particularly this video, I just want to cut it briefly because it will be a long video. I'm a person that believes in principle of life. I don't believe in superstition. I don't believe in something that is not reality. I don't know how to explain it, but let me give you an example. So many people believe in karma. But the English word defines karma as something that you will reap when you come the next world. So when somebody do something in this world and see reap it in this world, is no more karma. You see, if things are not properly defined, abuse is inevitable. 90% of the time, we abuse things because we don't know the definition of that word. So when I say I don't believe in karma, it's because I don't believe that if you do bad now, you have to come the next world before you reap it. But I believe in the law or the principle of sowing and reaping. If I do abortion and I damage my womb, I'm reaping the what I sow in abortion. Do you get what I mean? That's what I believe in. Not like it's everybody that will do evil and reap evil, and not everybody that is doing good that will not see evil. I understand those laws and the principles. Why am I saying this? Some people might think that the video I'm trying to do now is for, say, karma. No, it's not about karma. Because I told you I believe in the law of sowing and reaping. Look at this post. Look at this letter. You can pause and read it so that you understand where I'm going to. You remember there's a video that is trending about the nursing school in Agbor that sang a song, you know, Sammy, jokingly, and they are catching crews. All these things, we call it social media banter. And fortunate enough, Mrs. President, the First Lady, Remi Tinubu, I mean a pastor, they call her, was in that place when the song was made. But it's unfortunate that some overzealous people are trying to sanction the school, or is it the student they want to sanction? Because they want to, in their own eyes, feel like they are the righteous one among the people. So that they are using Mr. President to catch crews. If your memory is short, I will remind you, and I'm going to beg you, if you're my audience, please share this video. I want it to go viral. Please. So that I want the government to see it. It was in a protest organized by Tinubu himself that the coffee was made and put rest in peace, Jonathan. What is worse than that? People are even, the children were even sincere by telling you, they don't even insult them. It's not our mother. Jokingly. Now our mother be this, so we will not get another man. They tell the moderator, now your mother be this, so because everybody know your mother. Abi, can Remi say he born them? No. Some of us are working for people that we senior. We call them Oga. Does it mean that it's my Oga? I call people that are married mommy. Once a woman married, I call it mom. Does it mean it can give birth to me? So if I now come and tell the woman and say, you are not my mother, am I insulting her? Overzealous people trying to make them face self-righteousness. And these same people are the ones that will even insult Mrs. President in the back. But they can't say it publicly because they're looking for eye service. They want to get credit from her. Now your mother be this. Is there anybody mother there? No. And the children were catching cruise. It's not an insult. It's something cruise that you can see that this is a cruise. These same children, one after the other, will kneel down and greet the president when they meet them face to face. They won't be able to tell and say, you are not my mother. But because they're in the group, they're just catching cruise. This one now, you people are publishing this, you want to insult them. What's his name of this person? Wale Soyinka, a whole grey man, a Nobel winner, called Patience Jonathan, the wife of First Lady, a sitting president or First Lady, call and ship hippopotamus. Did any of you write a letter to prosecute her? The PDP prosecutes Wale Soyinka. Everybody know who said that. It's in the internet. I'm not the one. I'm not. This one not be saying they will say allegedly. Is it allegedly I'm saying here? These things are verifiable on internet. This is law of sowing and reaping. If anybody think that what the children did is to insult Mr. President, well, she might actually be reaping what she sowed. I'm not here to say that I'm against Mrs. Tinubu or anybody. Go and check my video. I've never insulted anybody, but I'm trying to put a point correct that these children have not done anything bad. She was the one that told the Igbos that they should go back and vote before election. I remember the Oba of Lagos telling them that if they cannot vote, they will push the Igbos into the lagoon. Nobody have insulted them. Nobody have called them anything. Nobody have wrote letter to say you should apologize to the Igbos. Now you want to punish the children. See, I'm an advocate of justice. Because they say injustice to one is injustice to all. I'm an advocate of justice. These people should not put injustice on these children for what they said. If you want to do the right thing, it is not here. You must correct the government to do the right thing. If the government do the right thing and people insult them, people have right to question them. I'm out of here, Joe.